So I'm going to feature some protein drinks today. If you watch TV, you're going to see all sorts of stuff going on with, controlling your blood sugars using their products. Basically, that's a meal replacement system. So you're replacing a meal or plugging in some protein smoothies in between meals to help balance out your blood sugars, energize your body. Protein's very important for muscles and energy. Couple features. This is really more of a basic protein product. There's some carbs in there because it's important. There's also some nutrients in here. This makes a great morning smoothie. Sometimes we'll add to it, but just by itself, it's a great product. This is one of my favorites. So oftentimes I'm recommending that people do a scoop of protein, some fiber, some fruits and greens. That's all in one. This has your fiber. It's got some acai berry. It's got some carbohydrates again. It's got your protein. It has some probiotics. And it has the fiber and some fruits and greens. So it's a really, really nice all-in-one. Instead of buying 3 separate things, you can really get what you need out of this. What I really like about these is we've researched the people that do this. They're great partners of us. We know the quality, and we're very confident that you probably can't buy a better product than what we have on our shelf. So we welcome you to come in, ask about a shake a day and what that might mean for you. And I and my staff really try to customize that for your individual needs.